How to turn on or turn off personalized ads on Opera Mini. Hello guys, so first thing you have to do, go to Opera Mini. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go down here and click on the Opera icon and click on the settings option. Now scroll down until you find advanced right here. Click on it. And here you will find personalized ads. Click on it and choose if you want to enable it or disable it from here. Easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.